Now this is bossingly bossing. Let's make garlic bread pizza. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. Cut your bread in half and set aside. Add half cup butter in your bowl. Here we go. A quarter cup minced garlic. Half cup grated Parmesan cheese. A quarter cup parsley flakes. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix till you form a paste. Spread the paste on your bread. Just like so. And bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Let's go. Add on pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni. Put it back to the oven until the cheese is melted. Let's go. Ready, slice and enjoy.